English cricket fans are yet to overcome the defeat against Italy in the final of the Euro Soccer. Remember, the Indian cricket team is also in a low spirit, having lost the WTC final against the Kiwis. Earlier 2021, England were hurt as Ravichandran Ashwin and Ravindra Jadeja spun a wave and England lost 3-1. Of course, Virat Kohli and company back in 2018 were hurt by that 4-1 defeat. Which of the wounded Tigers will settle the score? Is it fitness that will make a difference?
No, it's obviously skill.
Yeah.
I think Virat Kohli and James Anderson will make a huge difference with their skill.
Agree to that, right? It is fitness plus skill. And as he says, if it is Virat Kohli or is it James Anderson? Predictions. And reminding the viewers that cricket world is back with the predictor. We'll be having a preview for the coming series between India and England and of course predictions. So keep an eye. In this episode of Fitness Masterclass with Chinmoy, we'll have a combination of fitness and of course prediction. This is called hip thrust. This is an exercise for the hamstring and the back. I'll be focusing on the batsmen, comparing both the sides. And the batsmen usually develops back pain or hamstring because you can see they are like this most of the time. They are batting for a long time. And when they run between the wickets, some hamstring issue comes in. Now look at the two sides. They're the batting sides. For India, the key players are Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Ajinkya Rahane and Cheteshwar Pujara. I pick Kohli as the man who will make a difference. And for England, it is Root, Stokes, Bairstow, and Butler. The guys like that. I choose Joe Root. I give a little bit of stat. In 10 years of time, Virat Kohli has played 92 test matches. Look at the span, 7,500 runs. For Joe Root, in a period of 9 years, he has played 105 matches, having scored 8,700 runs. So Shobik, the fact is the span and the kind of wear and tear the body has gone through. Now, unless the batsmen get a finger injury, fielding in the slips and all these things, they'll be having the back issue. Now, Virat has this. The first test match before, the report says he has got a little bit of back issue. Even for Root, this might occur. So this is one exercise that has got relevance with the back pain. This is one leg. So the name is hip thrust. If you do it both legs, please Roshan both the legs. You should be doing 10 to 12 repetitions. Weight you fix yourself. This is a barbell and the weight plate. Yes, now take a bit of rest. After 12 repetitions, take a rest of round about 45 seconds to 1 minute and come on to it. 4 sets. As he lifts it, weight on. So this is on one line. Okay, now put it down, up. And you should be pushing through the heels, so that you fire up your hamstrings, your glutes. So the glutes and hamstrings are connected with the back.
Sir, how much do you rate Virat Kohli and Joe Root?
The rating is 2 count, both together. Fitness plus skill. Here I will rate Virat 9 and for Joe Root it is 8.
My prediction is Joe Root.
So the prediction, viewers get ready. But then my prediction is Virat Kohli.
I think it's bowler's time.
Bowler's time, and for India, I have 2 guys. One is Mohammad Sami and the other is Jasprit Bumrah.
My prediction is James Anderson.
Class apart, Shobik. James Anderson, 2003 debut, 18 long years. He has played 162 test matches for a fast bowler and 617 wickets. Nothing but the stat speaks for himself. And Shobik, I feel Mohammad Sami, Sultan of swing in English condition. Best in India, 140 Ks consistently, that is. He will be the key factor. Sami, 50 test matches, 184 test wickets over a period of 10 years. But Shobik, the fact is, both the players, Sami was with me in the Bengal team, he had a knee operation. And Anderson too had a knee issue, surgery. But the fact is, Anderson against South Africa had a rib problem. Right. This guy has continued for 18 years. So for the fast bowlers who will land, you can see I landed on the knee. Let's have a look at 2 exercises.
Time to get on.
Time to get on. So you go there and rotate. If you balance on a single leg, there is a muscle called glute medius that fires. A single leg, 1, 1. Shobhik, this is the count. First is flat back. Flat back means neutral spine. Second is knee flexion. You can see the knee, little bit of flexion. Carry on. Little bit of flexion, and he rotates this way and looks this way, and then the other way. Perfect. Now 10 to 12 each side, 10 to 12 and 2 to 3 sets. As you rotate this one, the thoracic spine rotates. So fast bowler bowls and it rotates. Works very well for the thoracic spine mobility, although the key focus is right here. This is a swish ball. The exercise is swish ball alternate Superman. So it's the classical name, Superman. Okay.
So how many sets and how many reps will I do?
You should be doing each hand 10 to 12 straight away. So you're there, the back extensors, lot of back extensors, they fire. Okay, and it's a great exercise for the fast bowlers to maintain good back stability. Of course, the big bang stuff like the clean and press is there, but the stabilizing muscles, they also play a key role. So you need to keep them nice and healthy and nourish them through these exercises. It is now rating time.
So I will give James Anderson 10 out of 10.
10? No mate, you can't. 9. And for me, Mohammad Sami, I will give 7 out of 10. Oh, the spinner is trying to turn it on a green top, which you get in England. For me, India's Ravindra Jadeja will be a key player among the spinners, not Ravi Ashwin, because he's quicker through the air, and what he does is that he goes quicker through the air and it comes quickly to the batsmen. For England, I think it will be Jack Leach. What do you think, Shobhik?
My take is Ravindra Jadeja.
Ravindra Jadeja is also my take. Jadeja has played 50 test matches. That's quite a bit of number. In fact, 52. And he has got 21 wickets. So, and he has got vast experience. For Jack Leach, only 62 wickets in 14 test matches. So, Shobhik, now here, if I am going to rate them in terms of fitness and skill, Jaddu is way ahead, man. Jaddu will be scoring 9.5. Tremendous fitness. And for Jack Leach, a little bit less, man, it will be 6. Now it is time for the glovesman. The race between Rishabh Pant and Josh Butler. Here, I think even Stevens putting together the skill and the fitness. Butler little ahead and in fitness. So it is round about 7.5 and 8, both of them 7.5 and 8. And you see Butler in 7 years time has played 50 test matches, 2,700 runs. For Rishabh Pant in 3 years time, 21 test matches, 1,400 runs. But he is a game changer. As for the wicket keeping, Shobhik, the fact is they are into this position for a long time and they go for the dive. The most important being there, they have got this hip mobility. They should be having an absolutely quality hip mobility and adductor strength. Now as he bends, it stretches the hamstring. Now sit. You need to sit fully and there the hip comes into play. Okay, fantastic. Turn. Good. Hold the hand there. Get up. Perfect. Get down again. Get down again. Yes, turn. That's a thoracic spine rotates. Okay, other side. Perfect. So 10 times as I said, and you can repeat it 2 times. For the viewers, it is time to win some cool prizes. Come 4th of August, India and England will throw punches between each other. And for you, you predict, because your prediction will bring in exciting prizes. For that, follow cricketworld.com.